Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, August 25th. Two trades, picked up 20.8 pips. Pretty good. One full scalp and one long that we had 25%. We'll go over them in a minute. First, just want to touch base on some economic news. Case-Shiller Index came out, which is the housing index to follow. Came out with a negative 0.12% versus an estimate of 0.3%. So that missed forecast. Home prices rose 4.97% year over year in June, missing expectations for the third month in a row. And price appreciation has been flat now for 5 straight months. So not a good thing, although they'll spin it to be very positive for housing. But the internals are showing that it's not that good out there. Consumer confidence came in at 101.5 versus 93.4, the highest number since January. Doesn't make sense, right? Everything else is showing such bad economic data. But if you look, that was from the Conference Board, which is at the highest level. If you look at the poll from Gallup on consumer confidence, it's at the lowest level. So it really depends on who you're going to listen to. Richmond Fed manufacturing, that collapsed to 2015 lows, drops the most in 9 years. That makes sense, right? Manufacturing totally collapsed. What else was there? Goldman Sachs, they say the Feds most likely won't be raising rates. I mean, I don't think that surprised anybody. Ray Dalio, who runs the largest hedge fund in the world with over $100 billion in assets, came out late yesterday with a piece. He is predicting that the next big thing the Fed does they'll do another round of QE, or what we call QE4, and that they will not be raising interest rates in September. They won't be raising interest rates in December. And won't be raising rates in next year either. He thinks they're going to do another QE. Just one man's opinion, but it is the man that runs the largest hedge fund in the world. So you have to really take into consideration what he's saying. So things are not good out there. Markets got banged up yesterday really bad. They're trying to rebound today. You got to look at the volume on it and see what the volume does as far as equities go. So let's get to our trading. First trade you're looking at here was a long in Euro Swiss franc, which we had for a couple of days. We had a much higher price target, didn't reach, but on that wild news, this was one of the Euro pairs that didn't rip higher. Some of them were up 200-300 pips, but we were up 64.3 pips, so we took it. Size adjusted 16. We wanted to get out just in case someone said something, a Fed Reserve governor or a central banker around the world came out and said something that would reverse this thing and turn our profits to a loss. So we booked it and we moved on. So really a nice trade there. Next one was a full scalp last night in pound US dollar, short from 1.57537. We scalped it for 4.8 pips. You can see it actually went as low as 1.5745. So again, full scalps, you're just going to grab whatever you can. If you did hold it all night, you were looking at 50 pip loss, and here you are with a little over 50 pip gain. So, but that's not full scalping. Full scalping is grab whatever you can and move on. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. Have a great rest of your day.